Hello everyone, today's video is talking about the application of mathematical methods to represent theories and analyze problems in economy. First, we will introduce the background and the concept of some mathematical theories related to economy, followed by some examples as interpretation for our topic. As known to all, the mathematical mode and approximation are two common tools used in many areas. The purpose of a mathematical mode in economy is to uncover greater understanding of information in market, whether that be through predictions or explanations. Optimization problem as market equilibrium is about maximizing or minimizing the production for firms, which is related to allocation efficiency in the market. In this slide, it shows the intersection of supply and demand curve is market equilibrium. Besides, in most cases, the application of derivative plays an important role in reaching the maximal profit for a firm in the market. The derivative of a function represents an infinitesimal change in the function with respect to one of its variables. Before we use this tool, we need to understand the production function, that is, the relationship between the output and labor.
Hello everyone, my name is Aaron, and now in my part, I'm going to explain the concept of derivative. It is include what is derivative and what is the meaning of derivative. The derivative is a local property of the function. The derivative of a function at a point describes the rate of change of the function around the point. If the value of function and independent variable are used real number, the derivative of the function at a point is the tangent slope of the curve represented by the function at the point. The nature of derivative is local linear approximation of the function is realized by the concept of limited. Not all functions have a derivative, and a function does not necessarily have a derivative at all points. For example, in kinematics, the derivative of the displacement of the object for the time is the instantaneous velocity of the object. In essence, the derivative is a limited process. The derivative of the four algorithms are derived from the limit of the four algorithms. Calculate the basic theorem so that the original function and the integral is equivalent. Derivative integration are a pair of reciprocal operations. They are the most basic concept in calculus.
And next, I would like to give an example of the derivation model used in the marginal product in economics. But before I talk about the implication of derivative, I would like to mention the calculation of derivative as a function. When we are going to calculate the derivative for fx function, assume that it is equal to m multiply x dash m plus a, then its derivative is m multiply x dash m minus 1. In this case, we use total product curve to calculate marginal product. The total product curve shows how total output produced by the labor employed. We can assume that a firm or a factory, if they hire more employees, their production will also increase, which means their production increases as more as the amount of the labor are hired by a firm. The derivative of the total product curve is marginal product. Marginal product refers to the amount of production increased when one more labor is hired. For example, in one farm, if one worker can only produce 4 bananas, and the farm hire one more worker who can produce 4 more bananas, in this case, 4 bananas is the marginal product. And next, I would like to show you an assumption that how to calculate the marginal product with the total product curve. And here's the graph of the paper film production in short run. We are going to calculate when the labor are 20 and 40, what's the marginal product. In this case study, we assume that the function of labor and total product is T TP equal 100 multiply L plus 0.5 L-A, and TP is total product, L is the labors are hired by the firm. By using the calculation method I showed before, then we can get the derivative of total product is equal to 100 minus L. When L is equal 20, 100 minus 20 is equal 80, which means the marginal product is equal 80. By using the same derivation function we've got, when L is equal 40, 100 minus 40 is equal 60, which means the marginal product is 60. When L is 20 and MP is 80, which means there are 20 laborers in the paper firm, and if they hire one more labor, they will produce 80 pieces of paper more than before. When L is 40 and MP is 60, which means there are 40 laborers in the paper firm, and if they hire one more labor, they will produce 60 more pieces of paper than before. That is the implication in marginal product. In general, mathematics involves all areas of our life, not only economics. That's all of our video. Thank you for watching.